18th July, around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The rice are tall, and this plot is full of weeds. It's challenge with mitigating weeds. So when we're harvesting rice, we'll be harvesting wheat as well. It hasn't been raining. There was an LPA. However, the LPA didn't linger here too long. It just dissipated. So, and the ground are dried, and it's creating a bit of a hassle. When the ground are dried, of course, it comes with challenges. And the rice being tall, they are now tending to topple like this. And when they start toppling, that's it. You know, it's like dominoes. So that's how it is. I mean, it could be worse. It could be. It's raining a little bit. It could be a lot worse. It could be like huge wind. So I don't know what's up with this. Just some challenges here. So here they're installing a solar panel pump. So they're almost done. After the north, clouds. I don't know if it's gonna rain on me. It's the east. Not enough clouds to bring a lot of rain. So they're putting the fence and the post for the panel. So I asked when are they going to be completed. They don't know. That's all right. I don't know either. And this is where the thing will drop off, and that's an 8-inch. This is where they're going to house the electricals and electronics. So I'm here in Bilya. I used to come here to pasture the water buffalo, and one day I left the water buffalo tied up, and they came here, and I was desperately looking for the water buffalo to bring home. So luckily my cousin saw the water buffalo and said, oh, that's Ezekiel's. So took it home. Boy, was I in a panic. So it used to be what you call tow road, elephant grass and things. Now it's rice field all the way east. So I'm just gonna take a look at this solar panel pump they're installing. So they're installing the wall. This is, let's see what they need, 10 meter by 20. I think they needed 100 square meter. So what is 100 square meter? Well, 10 by 10 square meter, or 10 by 10. I think it's a little bit more. So let's see what the notice say. So starting April 26, completion is September 22. So let's see. Oh, they're doing Alfonso Lista and Rojas. So that's the package. Ah, I'll have to look at the details later. So this is the machine that does the boring of the bore well. So they have holes on the side, and then rivet. Huh, they rivet it. Oh, that's interesting. I guess being doesn't have to be welded rivet. Didn't think of that. I guess they did. So it's hydraulically pushed down into the ground, clamped. Wow, wish I had a machine like this. Yeah, so that's how the government is helping the farmers here in Isabela. That's good. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, thanks for watching.